Vibrate?
Nichols calls them.
Vibrate?
I want mine to make a sound just like your microphone.
Yeah, you did. Talk
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh yeah, you're right there.
Oh,
Yeah,
you got
stay
the
there.
headphones on so you can't hear it.
You can take the headphones off.
You can hear it.
Oh, there you go.
It won't be that loud.
Now say hi.
Say hi into the microphone.
Hi.
Can you hear yourself?
Yeah.
Check.
Check, check, 1, 2.
Sing. What song you want to sing?
Bye-bye.
Vibrate.
All right.
Yeah, there you go. You got it. Sounds good. Got him a girlfriend that plays over on grand. Swore she got out alive, she not go back again. Fellas didn't know her, scared her half to death. Every time she would've just got left. That's when she saw being sent on by bar. Sat back down, went to, came over to talk. Now later on that night, walking out the door, Benny started up his fight, boys came out for. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you sing that part? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, you got it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, oh. The trunk put on the back of the big fight. Now Kelly's been with me about ever since that night. Tried to leave it many times, can't quite get away. Seymour tells the chorus was that she liked to sing. Benny's on his been a fighter, I'll never change. Kelly takes him on, his mother, it's all the same. They made it from a club way out to the street. Being one barstool, but he made it on his feet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, come to sing with us. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, sounding good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ready for the chorus? We'll do one chorus. Kathleen's running out the door, leaving Benny all alone. Now Benny's crying, Kathy, please, baby, don't you know? I'm sorry, don't you know? I'm sorry, don't you know? Yeah. I think you've got this down pretty good. Yeah. You're ready to go. Yeah.